Isn't that a hideous sound? This is Augustus Large letting you in on what a bunch of hens do to a piece of deer meat, a scrap from butchering. They're going wild on it. Not even the roosters go this wild on it. It's something to do with their reproductive cycle, and they see that as protein to build eggs. And they're just going crazy. Chickens are horrible creatures. This is Augustus Larch.